Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make Arbi ki sabzi. This recipe is my super favorite. My mom loves Arbi and I got this recipe from my nanny. So let's see how it's made. First, I have Arbi here. I have already peeled it and roundels kar liye hai. So now we'll marinate the Arbi. And now I'll add the spices, turmeric powder and red chilli powder along with some salt. Now mix this well. Make sure the Arbis are coated nicely with the spices. So here we are going to shallow fry the Arbis. Thoda sa oil. Arbis are marinated, so without wasting our time, let's shallow fry this. So make sure you place the Arbis one by one or else it will stick to each other and it will get sticky. So we don't want that, right? So chalo, now it's time to flip them. This needs a lot of patience, right? But it's worth it. My nani used to fry this, no? तो हम ऐसे ही खाते थे. It tastes nice. So this is nice and crisp. Now we'll start with the masala. So first, heat the kadai, add some oil. चलो, oil को अब अच्छे से गरम कर लेंगे. And here's a tip. तो ये जो हमने fry किया अरबी, you can also sprinkle some chaat masala on top and serve it as a starter. Oil is hot. I'll add cumin seeds to it. Allow it to splutter and then we'll add carom seeds or Ajwain. Keep the flame on medium and now Hing. I'll just mix this well. Now let's add onions. So while the onions are still cooking, we'll add ginger garlic paste. Mix this well now. Onions are cooked. Now it's time to put tomato paste. Let's mix and keep the flame on high. See, as you can see, this is cooked now. We'll add the masalas. First, turmeric powder, followed by red chilli powder, coriander powder, Amchoor powder, and now salt as per taste. Let's saute this well now. Now it's time to add water. Let's mix this well and wait for a boil. Boil to aa gaya hai. Now we'll put the Arbis. Give this a quick stir and it's ready to serve. So first we'll take this plate. जैसे मैंने कहा था, this recipe is super easy and basic ingredients are used in this and it tastes so well. Now garnish this with coriander leaves. This smells so good, I can't even tell you. I'm sure जैसे ये मेरी favorite recipe है, आपकी भी बनेगी. So do try this recipe at home and let me know how did you like it. Thank you.